Hello there. I wanted to do a quick video on an awesome piece of technology I ran across and been putting to use lately. It's the Python 10x42, Python Explorer 10x42 Monocular. And there it is, you can see it right there. Quick story on how I ran across this and how I've been using it. My daughter is a future scientist, no doubt. And whenever we would be out walking or amongst nature, was constantly wanting to catalog the animals or the wildlife that we ran across. And in a lot of cases, and a lot of times they were birds. It was just a little too far to tell, too far to know. So we wanted to find something that could allow a little access to wildlife that was a little further away. And even better if we could actually capture images, so we could, even if we didn't know what it was on the spot, we could figure it out. And looking at the options, binoculars, especially binoculars that would have the range that we would need, were going to be too expensive, too big and bulky, and just weren't giving me an option. Cameras that could handle what we were trying to do, we knew would be out of our price range. But when I was looking around, I ran across the Python Explorer, and it fit all our needs. I mean, it really covers all the bases. I got it set up here. You can see how what it does is it's a monocular on its own and does a great job, crisp HD, clear picture, not pictures, but views when it's on its own. But what you can also do is has an attachment here where you can add your phone. I got my old phone on there right now just to show you what it looks like when it's set up. And this allows you to take, again, HD, beautiful pictures, beautiful video. It's amazing us amateurs like my 5-year-old and I can get some awesome images that look professional. It increases the zoom when you use your phone as well. So it's really been, like I said, it's checked off all the boxes of what we were looking for, and at a price point that makes much more sense for what we were trying to do. And this setup here, my child can run this. Kids these days got a little more experience with the technology, so she's on that phone and she knows how to hit the picture button and zoom out. It's a beautiful thing. And even when we take off the phone, if you look at the build of this, I mean, obviously it's smaller, it's easier to carry and lug along. It has this firm grip, it's protective coating. I have no problem letting my daughter take it out on its own by herself and know that it's going to withstand any punishment she may put it through. It's waterproof. The zoom here, nice and smooth and easy to operate. Like I said, it's an awesome piece of technology at a price point that makes a lot of sense for amateurs like me. But even if you're a pro, hunters, photographers, nature lovers, it's a great option, and has done good things for my family, and can do good things for other people out there. So I wanted to make this video and just kind of make people aware. So if you're interested, this is a good route to go. Big love for the Python. We appreciate it. Alrighty, thank you.